This wood floor is squeaking. We have to fix it before laminate installing. I'll show you the best method. The prime detail for this magic is special furniture sleeve with external thread for wood, internal 1M10 for metal and a slot for hex key. First of all, drill a through hole for the sleeve in this spot. It doesn't matter if we hit the joist. A steel threaded rod M10 will prop the wood floor against concrete slab. Measure depth to the bottom and mark it on a rod with nut, for example. And here is magic furniture sleeve I told about. And a hex key. Screw it flush in the hole. Now screw the rod in the sleeve until it's reaching the slab. It will be done faster with a drill. With this, clamp the rod in the chuck. As you can see, there is no any squeaking now. One and only shot was enough. Cut off the extra piece of the rod. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.